we're going to put this Revlon One Step hair dryer and volumizer to the test. Let's get started. I had never seen it done on a very long hair. Well, mine is about my waist. Yeah, around my waist area, and I've always been afraid to use this kind of brushes because you have to roll it down. The settings for this brush is down here. You twist, so this is off. You twist to, that's high. That's the low setting. That's the cool down. And off. I know it smells like burning when you turn it on, which is weird. Okay, this machine here has a cool tip. It's an oval design. It's very light, which I like it. It's not too heavy, so you won't get tired of brushing your hair. It has a unique airflow vents. See the little holes inside. And this is tangle free combination bristles. So this is tangle free bristles. They're not that hard type. Let's do this. Hopefully this leaves my hair with a lot of volume, because that's what I need. Oh, and I used the argan oil thermal protector just on the ends mostly, because that's where it gets damaged. Let's do it. For some reason, I'm afraid to roll it all the way to the root of the hair because I feel it's gonna get stuck. But so far, it's doing good. The best tip to do this faster is to use very small sections of your hair, and you can put them all the way to the closest to the root of your hair. So far, it's leaving my hair very soft. It's still a little frizzy, but we just need to put some serum or more argan oil at the end. It does get very hot, so be careful not to get burned. Okay, let's do the other section of my hair. It's taking a little longer. This salon one-step dryer is making my face really pink because the heat, it just goes all over and it's making me sweat. took me about 35 minutes to 40 minutes to completely dry my hair. I just couldn't get the brush all the way to my root, so this part still looks like a little wet. Maybe I just keep brushing it and brushing it, but it feels like I'm just hitting my head with it. So I'm just gonna stop doing that. I kind of have like a mild headache just brushing it and brushing it. But yeah, this is how my hair looks after. It looks like it's still a little frizzy. I know I have a long hair, but I kind of like it. It's very soft. I just need to apply some oil or serum at the end, and this is how the ends look pretty healthy. Looks good to me. I like it. My oil, so my hair can be shiny. That was today's hair tutorial with the Revlon Pro collection. That's it for today's video, and leave a comment down below if you guys already have the machine. How was it? Are you guys willing to try it? Leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.